Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to send Bitcoin using Exodus. Open your Exodus wallet and ensure it is updated and backed up. Locate the Bitcoin account, tap Send, paste the recipient address, and confirm it matches exactly. Enter the amount in BTC or your local currency, review the network fee, then swipe or confirm to broadcast the transaction to the network. Wait for confirmations and monitor the status until it completes. Before you send, check your seed phrase is safe and never share it with anyone. Open the Bitcoin account in Exodus and select Send, then paste or scan the recipient address. Choose the amount in BTC or your currency, then pick a network fee based on how soon you need confirmations. Double-check everything, because Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Confirm and broadcast the transaction, then watch the progress in the Exodus activity list. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long crypto sessions. I love how they stay snug during tracking and trading, and they pair perfectly with late-night learning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If your transaction stalls, first check the fee and mempool status. Low fees can delay confirmation. Exodus may support replace by fee to bump the fee, or you can wait if confirmations are expected soon. Never attempt duplicate sends to the same recipient while an earlier transaction is pending. For missing funds or wallet errors, gather transaction ID and contact Exodus support with details, but avoid sharing your seed phrase under any circumstances.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.